I'm on the computer, my shiny computer. On my shiny computer, I'm gonna press Google Chrome. I'm gonna log on to YouTube. Gonna go on my channel. Oh my gosh! Awesome light, please. We got 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. Oh, whoa! We got 63. We got 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. Yeah! 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. With 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers. Thanks everybody for subscribing to us, and please continue watching our videos. It will be a better video if we have 100 subscribers. It's just really exciting. I told everybody, they're like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy for you. And yeah, sorry we haven't made a video in a while. We haven't really came up with that idea. So write ideas on channel comments, please. Okay? So you have to stop on Saturday or Sunday. So probably Sunday, or Friday, or, you know. So, see you guys on the Peach and Daisy Show. This is Daisy signing off.